Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to make your next painting project a lot easier, check out these little mini rollers from WHIZZ. So these little roller covers are awesome. They are 4 inches long. They have a 3/8 inch nap. It is a Microlon mini roller cover. And let me tell you, this microfiber is soft, it's easy to use, and they hold a lot of paint. So you don't have to constantly be going back to your paint tray. I love that you can get right up to the wall or when you're cutting in right into a corner, because on the end of this roller cover, it is completely covered with the fiber. So it actually holds paint there. So you can get right up to those corners, no problem. This saves so much time when you're cutting in and you are doing things like this, painting cabinets, and I haven't painted the wall yet, obviously, so I was able to make a little bit of a mess of the wall, but it made this job so fast. These are really easy to pop onto your mini roller handle and just get right to work. So I would definitely recommend these for any painting project that you have coming up. I really, really like them. So we have found these to be super helpful, and that's my point of view.